Hello everyone, my name is Rubi Yadav and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Miri Professional and Law Institute, MDU, Rohtak. I am glad to get this opportunity to introduce myself and discuss my topic with all of you. My today's topic is a difference between the crime and the tort, and the sole purpose of my topic is to give you a brief knowledge about what is crime and what is tort. Tort is a damage against the person and crime is a damage against the law. Tort implies a wrongful act causing injury and harm for which recovery is sought by the aggrieved party as per the civil law from the person who is responsible for the act. This is what the meaning of tort is. Now, crime refers to an act or offense or an illegal act for which the person conducting it will be punished under the court of law. This is what crime is. Now, tort is an uncodified. There is not any codified law on the tort, but the crime is a codified law. It has the particular sections for the different kinds of offenses. Damages under the tort will be unliquidated damages and damages under the crime will be the liquidated damages. Now, what are the punishments in both the tort and the crime? In tort, the defendant may have to pay the plaintiff the compensatory and the punitive damages, but in crime the defendant will have to pay fine or he will have to bear the punishment of the imprisonment. Now, the main objective of the tort is to protect the right of the person, and the main objective of the crime is to protect the law and order of the society. For tort, the essential elements of tort are wrongful act, legal damages, and the legal remedies. But the essential elements of the crimes are mens rea, actus reus, and there must be an injury to human being. A tort is an act against a particular person always, or an individual, but the crime is always an act against the public or the state due to gravity of the act. Now, crime is a public law, but the nature of the tort is private. In tort, the defendant will be sued in a civil court, but in crime, the defendant will be prosecuted under the criminal code. Now, burden of proof under tort always rely on the plaintiff, but in crime, the burden of proof always relies on the prosecution. In tort, the parties are the defendant and the plaintiff. Defendant is the respondent and the plaintiff is the victim. But in crime, there is also two parties, but they denotes as government prosecution versus the defendant. This was a short discussion about between the tort, differences between the tort and the crime. I hope this video must have cleared some of your doubts. I hope this video has cleared some of your doubts. That's it for the day and about my topic. Thank you so much.